visited the coolest thrift store I've ever been to in Connecticut, the Pandemonium Rainforest project in Deep River. It's not just a 2-story thrift store with a coffee shop, it's an animal sanctuary, and all proceeds help support the rescue and care of exotic animals. That's the thrift store, and I'll show you what I bought later. This is a great place to visit on a nice day, especially if you have kids. You can walk the grounds, meet the animals, and enjoy everything the sanctuary has to offer. As you begin your walk to the sanctuary, you're first greeted by a charming little gnome village nestled along the path. Here is one of the sanctuary's 2 resident tortoises. For a small fee of just $5, you can enter the sanctuary, which is home to a variety of reptiles, snakes, and birds. As you make your way through the exhibits, each animal has a sign explaining where it came from and the circumstances that led to its rescue. For example, in a moment you'll see a macaw that was rescued from a hoarding situation. He currently suffers from anxiety and spends much of his time plucking the feathers from his chest. It was heartbreaking to see, but it's clear the people here are deeply committed to these animals. The sanctuary is clean, well maintained, and the animals receive excellent care. Once back outside, you're greeted by 2 peacocks. I had never seen one in person before, and I was amazed by how beautiful they are. Next to this giant praying mantis sculpture is a reading dome where visitors can take a break, sit with a book, and enjoy quiet moments surrounded by nature. My favorite part were the goats. Isn't he just a cutie pie? Once I went inside the thrift store, I completely forgot I was making a video, so I'll just show you the items I picked up. Their stories are for another day. And stay tuned for the story on this last item, because sometimes what you think you're getting isn't always what you get.